Nathan Walton, sir.
Charge लिया उसने.
हाँ यहाँ वो में बदलता यहाँ से तो बढ़ेंगे
हाँ सर बेटर सर आप इधर बैठ के विजुअल लेंगे और कॉन्फ्रेंस में ब्रीफ किया तो बेटर है.
मीटिंग को मेरे यही हो जाएगा मीटिंग ऑफिसर.
कार्ड मेडल
टेबल पे टेबल
Sir, please welcome back. Sir, हम लौटे आए. अरे लाइट जल रही बढ़िया.
यही बात करते हैं.
हाँ यही.
इंटरेस्ट का तो यही कर ले.
माइक कौन बुक कर दिया?
What more? What is it?
रिमार्क दूंगा या आप पूछेंगे कुछ?
आपने गोवा से स्टार्ट किया था, आज डीजीपी पोस्ट पे पहुंचे, तो गोवा का एक पूरा आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है तो वो कैसा है आज?
It is a privilege to serve Goa Police because Goa Police has highest tradition of professionalism. The force is comparable to the best in the country, and this is my third tenure. I started my career as a assistant superintendent of police, and today I take pride in saying that I have joined today as the Director General of Police, and it goes to the credit of people of Goa, Goa Police, and the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, that he has given the opportunity to serve the people of state again. As the days go, I will interact with my officers, understand the dynamics of crime, law and order, and we will try to formulate strategies which are correspondent to the prevention of crime. And Goa is otherwise an iconic tourist state, so it has its own challenges also, because we have to present, showcase the best aspect of not only the Goan society but also the professionalism of the police. And I, along with my team, will ensure that we put best foot forward and professionalism of Goa is exhibited to the foreigners as well as to the countrymen who come to Goa as tourists. At the same time, traffic has always been uppermost in my mind, because traffic is the area which affects every citizen, everyone, from morning to evening and late in the night also, because people have to go to their workplaces, so they have to reach in time. And at the same time, traffic safety is also very important, because in earlier years there have been number of traffic accident cases. So we'll make sure that after studying the profile of the road, geometry of the road, traffic accident pattern, we will formulate appropriate strategy to ensure that Goan roads are safe not only for the local people but also for the foreigners, because large number of foreigners come here, they hire taxis, they hire two-wheelers, and Goan roads are excellent roads, so sometimes people try to take advantage. So here comes the role of enforcement also. So we will ensure that our officers enforce the traffic rules appropriately. So these are certain areas, certain priorities which I will be emphasizing, of course along with the cooperation of my team. The team is excellent. IG has already spent more than 3 years. DIG has also spent more than 4 years. So they are well aware of the problem. So we will synergize our efforts and ensure that Goa police remains in the best police forces of the country. Thank you.
Sir, we have learned that the Goa police is also trying to request Goa government to accommodate chopper facility to tackle the accidents and reduce the fatality.
It was proposal being initiated. It is at initiative phase. Will examine.
Yeah, we will definitely, I will look into it because I'm not privy to it. So therefore at this stage, I will not be able to make any comment. But professionally speaking, yes, that will help a lot because the injured can be immediately shifted to the police and we can save precious lives. Plus, it is better also to keep a watch over large number of areas from, like we say, eye in the sky. So when you have the aviation support, it is always better to keep watch over large areas.
सर गोवा में थर्ड टाइम आप विजिट किया है कॉलेज प्रेजेंट हुआ है आगे कैसे प्रायोरिटी रहेगा कि गोवा का लोगों के लिए सेफ्टी सॉरी ड्रग्स का बारे में कैसे देख रहे हैं सर, क्योंकि लास्ट 2 टाइम आप विजिट करके गया है गोवा, ये बार कैसे आप कंट्रोल अदरवाइज बिकॉज टूरिस्ट स्टेट है।
जैसा मैंने शुरू में कहा कि वी विल formulate appropriate strategy. When I speak about prevention of crime, that includes drugs also. And being an iconic tourist destination, we do not want that people should remember Goa because of this aspect. So therefore, that has always been the priority, not only of me, but predecessors also. Everybody has tried his level best to contain this menace, and we will continue to fight this menace with all our resources at our command.
ड्रग्स के पेडलर पकड़े जाते हैं लेकिन जो मेन रहता है उधर तक पुलिस नहीं पहुंच पाती ज़्यादातर।
Very typical dynamics, and there are, it's a complete chain actually. So sometimes international cartels are involved, sometimes local cartels are involved. So the peddler is not aware who has handed him over the packet, because this trade is conducted by very, very intelligent people. So therefore, we will make sure that our police force is able to catch the last person in the chain. But for that we would also require the support of central agencies like National Narcotics Control Board, because they are the national agency in this. We would also seek support of our neighboring states, because unless we join our efforts, unless they cooperate with us or we cooperate with them, so it ultimately is going to be a very joint efforts, because individually it is very difficult to bust an international cartel. So therefore we will ensure that we train our people. Ultimately, unless we are able to reach to the first stage of the supplier, it is very difficult to make a dent on such trend.
Sir, Election Commission of India is recently recognized sex workers in their roles, electoral role. Do you think that prostitution should be legalized in Goa because on backdrop of these things?
That is for the legislators to decide. If they require our inputs at any stage, we will definitely share our inputs with the political leadership of the country and administrative leadership.
Sir, you joined as a SP ANC when you are posted in Goa. So from that time onward till today, almost 2 decades has passed. So how do you see the drugs in Goa? I mean, whether it is being controlled or still increasing?
No, because giving statement like this is very difficult unless I again review the figures, because I do not have the statistics at my disposal.
But that time you are
But
very strict.
I think that in general we have been able to make a dent on these suppliers.
But when you first posting, you are
It
very
is,
strict.
it is much under control, I would say. Much under control. Because at that time, it used
Number
to
of
be
tourists
synonymous.
was less.
It used to be synonymous with drug, but now people don't come for this. Now people come to see the natural beauty, Goan food, Goan culture, Goan music. So now the USP of Goan state is its culture and its beaches. Earlier, yes, you said when I was SP anti-narcotics, it used to be synonymous with but now, so that goes to show that there has been much
Shift.
shift in our emphasis also, and there has been drastic reduction.
Sir, what about cyber security? Because innocent born people are mostly cheated for cyber security, and perhaps cyber unit has been created in every police station, but it is not effective at all.
No, but at the same time, you see, unique in this sense that it requires highly technically trained people, and there is no scene of crime, of a cyber crime, and you have to reach to the committer of the it requires massive efforts to make people aware about the digital technology, although it has helped people a lot, but at the same time, because it is very difficult to trace the digital steps. Like if we take fingerprints, we have databases, we can reach to a criminal. But in cybercrime, once the crime is committed, the trail is totally lost. So you have to go to different operators in the chain. It's also very good. They are also very tech savvy, and they are also supervising the detection of crime. But the effort needs to be made at different levels: government, IT department, educational institutions, and police department, because it is committed by
पुलिस स्टाफ और उनके बीच और एक्टिविस्ट के बीच कुछ हाथापाई होती है, एलिगेशन भी लगी थी कि पुलिस ने हमको मारा, ऐसा कुछ इंक्वायरी भी शुरू की थी, इनको सस्पेंड भी किया था। सो
Sir,
देखिए, आप अभी एक स्पेसिफिक इंसिडेंट के बारे में पूछते हैं,
वालपेल
जिसके
में
बारे में
कोंडा में हुआ।
सर एड ऑन टू दैट अभी बहुत से इंसिडेंट वैसे हो रहे हैं कि पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर से एरोगेंसी और ये बहुत
नहीं, कोई
पब्लिक को
भी
समझ
टीएस होना चाहिए, और लोगों को जो उनकी समस्या का अगर समाधान हमारे पास नहीं है, कई बार लोग बहुत सारी ऐसी समस्या लेके आते हैं जिसका समाधान पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के पास नहीं होता। सिविल मैटर्स होते हैं या कोई प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, तो उसमें वो फिर पुलिस से ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा हेल्प की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं, बट वो चीज़ उनको बड़े प्यार से भी समझाई जा सकती है। तो हम कर्टियस बिहेवियर पे, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस देंगे, सभी पुलिस फोर्सेस दे रही है। बट ओवरऑल मैं फिर भी ये कहना चाहूँगा कि गोवा में जो पुलिस है काफ़ी कर्टियस है। एक आइसोलेटेड इंसिडेंट से आप पुलिस के इमेज का अंदाज
You can't generalize.
एक बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में एबेरेशंस नीड टू बी टेकन सीरियसली। तो जो आपने पूछा, तो इस तरह की बिहेवियर की अगर कोई फ्यूचर में भी बात होती है, तो पहले हम पूरी इंक्वायरी करने के बाद क्या करेक्टिव स्टेप्स उसमें बनते हैं वो जरूर लिए जाएंगे, बट अल्टीमेटली में जाके अपनी शिकायत दर्ज करा सकता है। अगर वो क्राइम से संबंधित है या हमारे परव्यू में आती है तो उस पर एप्रोप्रिएट कार्रवाई की जाएगी। अगर वो किसी और डिपार्टमेंट से संबंधित है तो हम उसको रेफर भी करेंगे और शिकायतकर्ता को उसके बारे में जानकारी भी देंगे।
चलिए, थैंक यू। बाकी की बातें बाद में करते हैं, प्लीज। देयर इज नो एंड टू इट।
बाकी अदर स्टेट्स बहुत एक्टिव है सोशल मीडिया पे, मतलब सोशल मीडिया से कंप्लेंट वगैरह। गोवा पुलिस इज वेरी नॉट सो एक्टिव ऑन सोशल मीडिया।
उसको मैं एनालाइज करके ही बोल सकता हूँ।
आप गोवा पुलिस का ट्विटर है